Giggles. Cha-ching! Well, boys and girls, my too many ponds in the river is pretty much complete for now. You can see the 3 little fishies swimming around. There they are. Hi guys. And they cute. Oh. We have my waterfall here. So basically I created my filter system at the top there. So the water's being pumped from that side, goes through my filter system, and down my little waterfalls. Nice. Yeah, you can see the water flowing down here. And it flows back over to here. Yeah. There they are. Hey little dudes. How you doing, dudes? Don't get sucked into the pump, okay? Please? Be careful, it's dangerous down there. Thank you. Yeah. See where they're going here. Oh, they're going for the pump. They're curious. They're like, ooh, it's a game. Alright. Have a nice day, boys and girls. Let's get a nice view of the whole place. Anyhow, I'm working on the outside of my house garden here, which I'm thinking about turning into a pond. Let's see how that goes. Got some ideas, but just taking it step by step. Cleaned out all the garbage here. I think this will be my area for the pond. Yep, it's gonna be a lot of fun. This is the before and after picture. Right. Here we are, step by step, of course. We've cleaned out all the crap from this section, as well as dug some trenches and organized our idea for our water flow. Now, is it going to be perfect? I don't know. I'm going to have to just play with it. But this is what I got so far. It's a little bit on a slope there, so the water can run down, hopefully. We'll see what magic we can pull off with this setup. Should be fun. Yes, I'm loving it already. This looks so clean now. Even if I didn't do anything with it, it looks cleaner. And all these frickin' pots and stuff. I mean, I transferred a lot of the plants to the pots just in case I want to use them later, which I think I might. Alright, this is what the stuff looks like. It feels really thin, but strong, I guess. So this is what it looks like. It's 2.5 millimeters. No. 0.25 millimeters thick. But it's waterproof. So I'm going to put this on top of there. I put some bubble wrap on the bottom just to give some protection. You can use a variety of things. Clever idea. I had a bunch of bubble wrap kicking around, so decided to use it. And I put some hairpins to keep my cactus back. My Elvira, what are they called? Can't even speak English anymore. You know, the stuff that helps your skin when you get sunburned. That shit. Elver. Yeah, it'll come to me some century. Alright, so I got the liner in. What a pain in the ass. Had to make several cuts as well as try to get this shit to not fucking bubble up all the time. But that's what it does. It bubbles up to piss you off. Just to piss you right off. Alright, I'm going to fill this section up first. To see if that actually does anything. Watch there be a nice hole in there where it never fills up. It just keeps draining. Check if there's a hole. Is it going down? No, it's not. Okay, let's keep filling it up. Let's see if it eventually goes over there. Oh, I should watch the rocks off before I put them in. And all the dirt's in there. Wow, holds a lot of water, more than plywood. Interesting. Slowly creeping up. It's like the Titanic's flooding, folks. On the edge there. That's good. No. Yeah, it's starting to leak. That's awesome. It's working. There it goes. Perfect. It's filling up over there. And that part's not getting overflowed, see? Still staying the same. Just going down my river. Look at that. Cool. The water's still flowing down there. Isn't that cool? Yeah. So I basically put these little useful green things in here. Woo, these are beautiful to keep the tarp down. And they 6 of these for $1 at Daiso. Good deal. You can see they hold them in there well. So I just put it all around the edges and cut where I wanted. I'm going to cut some more, obviously, to make these shorter. But we're getting there. Look at that. So this is after a rainy day too. It filled itself up more anyway. Step by step. The river and 2 ponds is coming along nicely. Look at that. I'm just putting some nice flowers there for some design. Different kinds of flowers, as you can see. Yeah. Some fun. There are little fishies down there. Can you see them? They're having their lunch. Yay, there they go. It's fun to watch them. See where they go. They're looking for food, maybe? 3 little dudes. They're called Medaka in Japanese. Yeah, they're eating. Look at that. Good guys, good boys. Cute little dudes. Sometimes they go down the river there to the other side. Oh, got my waterfall sort of going there. step by step. Want to see a quick test of it? I'm sure you do. Of course you do. So you see. Look at that. Comes down my pulls up to the perfect, isn't it? All right, we're coming to the final steps of the pond. Got some flowers. Got my new waterfall over there. Put the border around it this time. See a little fishies swimming over there in the corner. Hi guys, how you doing? You guys happy? There's 3 of them. Well, welcome to my pond at night. Oh, my little waterfall at night. You can barely see it. Pretty cool. But basically the water goes up there in my pump, gets cleaned through my handmade filter, goes in there, it fills up, falls down the little river here, it fills up and it goes right into the lake. It's pretty cool. I like it.